Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to remove white outline from PNG. Let's begin. I already insert this PNG image, then hold Ctrl, select PNG image, click layer mask, then go to filter tab, others, minimum, and see this radius up and down arrow key. Then remove white outline. Click OK. And step 2, select another PNG image. Click now, so see this FX, use FX stroke, then click FX stroke and untick mark this stroke. Click OK. Now we can see this remove white outline from PNG. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.